Welcome to the PharmaVOICE Editors Take video series, filmed live at the 2011 DIA annual meeting in Chicago. Hosted by Taryn Grome, editor of PharmaVOICE. In this session, Taryn meets with Bonnie Brescia, founding principal, BBK Worldwide, and David Williams, chief marketing officer, PatientsLikeMe.
Bonnie, so nice to see you again. Please tell me, what does the new partnership between BBK and PatientsLikeMe mean for each of your companies?
Thanks, Taryn. It's great to be with you again. What we're most excited about in terms of the partnership between BBK Worldwide and PatientsLikeMe is our shared philosophy of putting the patient first in every aspect of healthcare. So this is an opportunity for us to leverage the best practices of both our organizations and, from BBK's perspective, to apply that into the clinical research enterprise and improve the enrollment processes, but maybe more importantly, to make accessible clinical research studies to all patients who are interested in knowing about them.
How does this partnership enhance recruitment for sponsors and, most importantly, patients?
Well, in terms of the biopharmaceutical companies, and more of them are looking at ways to both improve their processes, but to incorporate more physicians and incorporate more patients into the clinical research studies they're conducting. We are helping them to look at things from a new perspective. How can we support the development of an entire therapeutic area franchise? And so this program really enables the sponsor organizations to build connections with communities of patients who've come together around their disease. And I'd like David really to answer the questions about how the sharing of information through the PatientsLikeMe platform is just so special and so important to patients.
The great thing about the PatientsLikeMe platform is that patients can share such deep health information, but that sharing of information allows for the data to be used to match other people into clinical trials. And so what happens then, patients now have a participatory voice in research. The great thing about BBK in this process is that they can bring more people into this clinical research process. There are only 3% of people who are even aware that clinical trials occur and that they can participate and be a part of bringing treatments to market faster. And so the way BBK brings in their expertise is bringing the masses into that, increasing awareness, whereas PatientsLikeMe helps to get the right person in the right trial.
David, from your perspective, how does your combined expertise expedite the patient recruitment process?
Starting with BBK, they are world-renowned and a pioneer in patient recruitment. They have the ability to do outreach that PatientsLikeMe can't touch. Frankly, they have the ability to understand what needs the sponsor has for that trial and then figure out what platform in terms of outreach can be built to reach those types of patients. Where PatientsLikeMe brings expertise is engaging those patients in their health, getting them to move up the health literacy curve and therefore understand what different things that they can do to control their health. And so when you think about the overall healthcare process, a patient can have a better conversation with their healthcare team, their physician, their nurses, their case managers, but then they also, as they increase their literacy, move up that healthcare awareness ladder, they'll then understand the benefits of participating in clinical research. And this is where PatientsLikeMe and the idea of shared and peer data can really benefit the clinical research process. So as you can see, both companies coming together are bringing strengths to the table.
Additional Editors Take videos, as well as podcasts, white papers, webinars, and more, are available in the resources area at www.pharmavoice.com.